A very good morning from Zimbabwe, a very good morning from Victoria Falls. Right here, I am right here in the rainforest. As you can see, the tallest trees ever. You can see the tallest trees here in the rainforest. These trees, they are very tall just because they compete sunlight. So this is why they are very tall. This tree right now is called bitter leaf. Maybe you've come across this tree. So this tree is very useful. It can heal a lot of ailments. BP, if you've got a problem, just take those leaves and boil them and drink that juice. It's very, very useful, trust me. So that is the bitter leaf.